Alright, since he didn't finish the collection of Mighty Morphin, I finished the collection, and I have Billy, Mighty Morphin Blue. We're gonna unbox him right now and add him to the set. With my trusty box cutter, we're gonna open him. Okay, this is Mighty Morphin Blue. We're just gonna open him first, and I'm gonna put him on display. All right, we have Billy here. I prefer the human heads because I'm gonna put them all like that, so it looks unique. I think. So we're gonna take. His head's kind of hard to get off. Okay. I'm gonna put on Billy with the glasses. This is probably my brother's favorite Power Ranger from Mighty Morphin. He likes him because he's nerdy, I guess. This is probably his favorite. I'm sorry he didn't get it. I got it for him afterwards. I found it. Okay, so we got his head on here. All right. We're gonna give him the one single weapon. The back of the box shows the single weapon with the lightning on the front. We're gonna put the lightning on. We have the lightning, and I'm gonna give him his blaster. We're gonna put it in his harness pocket. Okay. Okay, next we're gonna open up Zach, the Black Ranger. Let's open him up right now. Take him out of the. We're gonna display him also with the human head because I have a private human head right now for this current display I'm gonna set up. Let's take him out of the box. Take out the accessories first. This time be easier. A little blast effect. A sword weapon. A little blaster. Axe. Head. We actually might use this head because it's a better head. But we'll see. Two fists for action posing. Here's our Black Ranger. Let's take off his head. His heads are so hard to get on sometimes. Alright, who's on? Alright, here we have the original 5 Rangers. Billy, Trini, Jason, Kimberly, and Zach. They all look fantastic together. The Kim is the most hardest to get to stand. Her foot is like widgeted to stay. It's like propped, angled weird. Yeah, here we are. Everybody looks great. We also have Tommy, White Ranger. Tommy. we have to open up, of course, Green Ranger Tommy, the best Tommy, in my opinion. We'll open them up next, and we're going to display them all together, all 7. I don't care if I have 2 Tommies here. Let's open up Tommy now. He's in the Target exclusive box because it's the only one I can find at the time. So I don't care about the inbox or displaying them in my collection. Well, the collection that was completed for Scotty. So. The Tommy head with the green headband, the Dragon Dagger, his sword, I guess Dragon Sword, I guess, I don't remember, extra hands, his lightning effect, and of course, Tommy all over himself. Green Ranger. We're gonna display them with the human heads the first time around. Unless I get bored and change them. That was easy to get on. That was the easiest one to get on so far. The only part about him it stinks is he doesn't have his white diamond, of course. Everybody complains about that online. Yeah, maybe we'll get some other one better someday. We'll put the Dragon Dagger in where it belongs. His holster. That's the word, holster. Thought about it earlier, didn't know what I was thinking about. Alright, let's give him his sword. It goes in his right hand. Bend it. That's not the right. And now we're gonna open up Ranger Slayer. This one was actually my first purchase of Power Ranger Lightning collection after Scotty's passing. So we're gonna open her up and give her a good look. Same lighting effect as regular Kim, but a little darker. The triple arrows. I'm not sure what this weapon is, but it looks pretty cool. Her bow. There's 2 black hands in the box as well. And she also has Didn't know the cape comes off. Alright, cool. She has a cape, which is still in the box. That's pretty cool. I had no idea the cape comes out. The cape comes off. This is Ranger Slayer. Okay, pretty cool. We're gonna start with Lord Draken. We also have Lord Draken Evo 3, which we're gonna do for another video. He's in storage right now. He's chilling in storage. We're gonna open him soon because I gotta display them all. I gotta get rid of boxes, so we're gonna get rid of boxes and we're gonna display them soon. Lord Draken with evil Tommy Oliver, which is a really cool face. I like the evil face expression of him. Okay. The lightning effect, blue explosion, the dragon dagger yet again. 2 fists for action posing. And Lord Draken himself. This one's actually pretty cool. Compared to White Ranger Tommy. They're very close. And of course, green. He's a hybrid of both combined together. That's why he looks like this. Alright, we're gonna put him on the old spinneroonie and we're gonna display him.
Another long future is going on. My feelings that are you shine in a bag of. Oh shit, why is it?